I just had to let you know you're. She a happy baby boo. She a happy baby boo.
Good day, everyone. We are the Group 2, and our topic is about sustaining an ICT project for social change. So, the next challenge to your website is how to sustain and maintain it. Sustaining a website is updating content and maintaining traffic to an ICT project for social change. Here, we will learn some techniques on how to keep our websites updated. These are some of the important tips on keeping your site updated to improve traffic. First, update contents regularly. Add new contents to your website every few days. Always remember that contents are more important in design, so make sure to add articles, press releases, or simply new portfolio items. It adds freshness to your site and attracts new visitors who may be interested. Furthermore, people who previously visited you and liked your site are more likely to come back for more. So, sinasabi rito na mahalaga na i-update ang contents ng website regularly at magdagdag ng bagong content dahil mas importante ang content kaysa sa design. Pwede ring magdagdag ng articles, press releases o portfolio items. Nakakatulong din ito para maging fresh ang website at maka-attract ng bagong visitors.
Be interactive. Responding to inquiries, questions, or simply comments directed at you makes your regular visitors more aware. It will also make you appear more active and in motion, as opposed to leaving your site abandoned. Being interactive means communicating with the visitors of your website. This includes replying to their questions, comments, or messages. When you respond to them, it shows that the website is active and that you care about your audience. It also helps visitors feel more connected and encourages them to keep visiting the site.
Link to social network. Post frequently on social networks as well. Linking your content, updates, celebrating completed project, or simply linking to interesting articles from time to time is a great way to generate activity. You can take advantage of it to remind people of your site and thus increasing your web traffic by having returning visitors. Ibig sabihin, ito ay mahalaga ring gamitin ang social networks para mas makilala ang isang website kapag madalas tayo nagpo-post sa social media tulad ng pag-share ng updates sa content, pagbanggit ng mga natapos na proyekto o kahit pag-share ng mga interesting na articles. Mas nagiging aware ang mga tao sa website na to. Dahil dito, naalala nila ang site at mas nagkakaroon ng chance na bumalik sila upang bisitahin ulit. Sa ganitong paraan, nadadagdagan ang web traffic at nagkakaroon ng mas maraming returning visitors.
On the other hand, monitoring is as vital as updating our websites. However, we cannot stay 24/7 just to monitor how well the website is. Free services do it for us. These are the examples of free services you can use to monitor your websites.
Uptime Robot. This looks at your site header status codes every 5 minutes, and if the codes come back with a problem, it does further checks. Then if there still are issues, it lets you know about it pronto. The Uptime Robot naman, ito ay nag-check ng websites every 5 minutes at kung may makita itong problema, i-check niya ito at i-alert ka kaagad para maayos mo ang problema at kagad na masolusyonan ito.
Number 2. Pingdom. This comes a free iPhone app gives you a handy on-the-go solution for monitoring your website status. The free service only lets you monitor one site. Okay, Pingdom comes with a free iPhone app na nagbibigay ng madaling paraan para ma-monitor ang website kahit saan. Sa free version, isang site lang ang pwedeng i-monitor.
Monitor.us. This is the free little sister service to Monitis and offers a simple setup for its external monitoring. As well as alerts, the app tracks failures and logs a report of the uptime, downtime of your website per day, week, or month, and makes those reports available to you in real time. So, ang Monitor.us daw po ay isang libreng serbisyo na konektado sa Monitis. Ito daw po ay ginagamit upang masubaybayan o mamonitor ang isang website at masiguradong na maayos itong gumagana.
Number 4. InternetSir. InternetSir claims to be the largest website monitoring service, currently working for over 1.7 million sites worldwide. While it's been on the receiving end of some criticism for excessive email marketing, in addition to the ability to set up alerts to go to multiply contacts, the service generates a free weekly report. So, InternetSir, sinasabi nila sila yung largest website monitoring service ngayon. Ibig sabihin, sila raw yung pinakamalaking serbisyo na nag-check kung maayos ba yung mga websites. Currently, gumagana sila para sa mahigit 1.7 million na sites sa buong mundo. Pero syempre, may konting issues din sila. Some people are criticizing them kasi sobra raw sila magpadala ng emails for marketing. Pero despite nun, may magandang features sila. Pwede ka mag-set up ng alerts na mapupunta sa maraming contacts. At binibigyan ka pa nila ng free weekly report. Ibig sabihin, libre ka makakakuha ng ulat tuwing linggo tungkol sa status ng website mo. So, yun po ang InternetSir.
Number 5. Uptrends. This is more suited to those who want to make uptime info readily available to their users rather than an alert-based service. Once you embed the button on your website, Uptrends monitors the uptime of your website every 30 minutes from worldwide checkpoints. Clicking the button will generate an uptime report of the last 24 hours, last 7 days, month, or year. Ang Uptrends daw po ay isang service na ginagamit para i-monitor kung gumagana o online ang isang website. Mas bagay ito sa mga taong gustong ipakita sa users nila ang uptime information ng website, kaysa sa mga service na nagbibigay lang ng alert kapag may problema. Kapag in-embed ang button ng Uptrends sa website, automatic nitong chine-check ang website every 30 minutes gamit ang checkpoints mula sa iba't ibang parts ng mundo. Sa madaling salita, ang Uptrends ay tumutulong para makita ng users kung gaano ka-stable at ka-reliable ang isang website.